back to my channel. So in today's video I will tell you all about the ring light that I use for my YouTube videos and my Instagram videos and pictures. So a lot of you guys ask me कि आप कौन से ring light use करते हो. So again I was like, why not make a video on it. So I will tell you guys everything कि मैंने ये ring light कहाँ से ली and कितने में ली. So guys, before going into the video, please subscribe to my channel. I am very close to hitting 1K, so it will help me like grow a lot. So please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are interested in knowing which ring light I use and how I use it, then please continue watching. So the ring light that I use is an 18-inch ring light from the brand called Digitech. You might have heard of it if you have researched a little on Amazon. So like Amazon पे बहुत सारे ring lights होती हैं, but I wanted a ring light जिससे कि मैं रात को भी properly videos बना सकूँ. So this is my ring light. This is an 18-inch Digitech ring light. This is the model number. This is the place where the wire goes. You just have to attach it like this, and then आप इसको plug in कर सकते हो. This is the button जिससे आप इसको on and off कर सकते हो. These are the two controls that we have. This one controls the light. This is how you close it, and with a click sound it opens. You can go from the dimmest light to the brightest from this knob, and this is the temperature control. You can basically like switch on the white light and the yellow light from it. So if I move it here, so this is like the yellow light. As you move it further here, this is completely white. I like to keep it here and the light somewhere here when I shoot. This is like the ideal light for me. You can also sort of like rotate the light just like this. So this is the brightest of the light that the ring light can give. So this is basically a mobile stand that comes with the ring light. So ये ring light के साथ free आता है, and इसका जो ये bottom part है, you just have to take it and you have to insert the bottom part here, and then you have to like just tighten this thing. So you can basically place your phone here to shoot anything and to click pictures. I love clicking pictures इस पे लगा के, and it's very convenient. Then it actually has a control like this, and you can basically move this, and then you can bend your ring light like this. In case you are making a video which has something to do with something kept down here, then you can like bend your ring light like this. And if you girls want to do any like swatch video or a nail art video, then this is very nice. आप इसको कितना भी bend कर सकते हो. So with this ring light there is no stand. You have to buy a stand if you're buying a ring light, because otherwise you won't have anything to like fit it in and like make it stand. So yeah, you have to buy a stand separately, but it comes very cheap. I got mine for rupees 799, and it is from a brand known as Sonia. It's very sturdy. Just go for it. Digitech वाला भी available था, but I read some bad reviews about it, so मैंने Digitech का stand नहीं लिया. I got the Sonia one. If you want a stand for your ring light, think no more, go for the Sonia one. It's super sturdy and very good quality. उसमें of course settings है. You can make it very low and आप उसको बहुत height पे भी like set कर सकते हो. So I really wanted to buy a ring light from a very long time now, because I wanted my picture quality and my video quality to be better. And if you guys want to check out the picture quality, you can check it on my Instagram. I post a lot of pictures and videos there, and my picture quality has improved so much. So I will make sure to link my Instagram in the description box below. Do not forget to check out and follow me there. So moving on to the next point. So this ring light costed me around rupees 4,000. So buying a ring light has like benefited me a lot. I can literally shoot anytime I want. If I want to shoot at daytime, I can use both sunlight and the ring light. So right now also I'm using the ring light, and I have one tube light and one small LED bulb on. So this is my lighting setup, and इससे काफ़ी अच्छा like lighting मुझे मिल जाती है, sufficient जितनी मुझे चाहिए. The मोबाइल स्टैंड इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी स्टर्डी एंड आप उसमें आराम से अपना फ़ोन लगा के पिक्चर्स या वीडियोस क्लिक कर सकते हो. इट्स सो कन्वीनियंट गाइज, आई कांट इवन टेल यू. आई थिंक मैंने रिंग लाइट अराउंड मई या जून में ली थी एंड आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट सिंस देन एंड तब से मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आई है. आई हैव बीन यूजिंग इट कॉन्स्टेंटली एंड इट्स रियली रियली नाइस. I think lighting setup is an investment that you need to do if you want to be in this field. So I think इतने प्राइस में this is the best ring light that you can get off of Amazon. ये best ring light है. I did a lot of research and one of my relatives, he is also a YouTuber, Sikh Warrior. He suggested it to me, so I got this one and I'm really really happy with it. So that's it guys, that is all I wanted to tell you guys about my ring light and also the stand. If you guys still have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below and I will love to answer them. Also you guys can drop your video requests in the comment section below. I will love to do them also. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and yeah guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel before leaving the video. It will mean a lot to me and will help me grow. So yeah guys, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.